that little bed?
Because I'm finished working on that little bed. Okay, brother, you gotta move. She's mad at you now.
I want to see too.
Hey, quit rocking in Daddy's chair. I'm gonna tell on you.
Me?
Both of y'all are in Daddy's chair. Get out of Daddy's chair. Bad boy and bad girl.
I'm a bad boy.
And sister's a bad girl?
That's Dad doing.
I know that's Daddy's chair. Y'all being bad.
No, we're not.
Yes, you are. Yes, she can't get up. Help her up. That ain't helping her up. She don't want you in a chair with her. Why you being a bad girl? Bad girl. Quit being mean to brother. Bad girl. Bad girl, bad girl.
I go, thank you.
What kind of clothes you got on, boy?
Got girl clothes.
No, I got Power Ranger clothes, and I got this, and I still got this new shirt on.
Yeah.
Yes.
And he was loose and free and wonderful and
What you got on, Beanie?
funny.
He got green, he got...
Has he got a baby? Oh.
I got Power
Oh, do the dancing with the baby?
Power Ranger toys grown up.
Yeah. Daddy going upstairs. Beanie gotta watch him. Don't pick up your gown. People don't see you diaper.
The love story tugged at our hearts.